If you guys have kids, you guys have 2005 Ford Expedition, and they drop soda, be careful because they tend the latch right here tends to stick. So the problem that we had was that you would pull on this, and that's the only thing it did. That was the only function that was having, because this was stuck right here. But when you what the real function is when it has to do this. That's the real function. So I got some, I don't know what you guys want to use, but I used some WD-40 dirt and dust resistant, because I guess on this occasion kids dropped something really sticky and it was really hard. So my brother actually drove in a screwdriver right here. He drove the screwdriver in here. Again, this is for the Ford Expedition 2005. Second row, middle seat. He pried the screwdriver like that, and the latch was so sticky that it was staying like that. So I went ahead and hit it with the rubber mallet. You might want to make sure you have a better one than mine, at least. And just put some WD-40. Repeated the function a few times, and voila, we got it running. Look at that. Beautiful. I just hope it works now.